This is a really short video to show you how do you properly stir the resins in your vat. The first thing is we remove the print bed. And this machine, I haven't used it for a couple of months, and there's resins left in there. Separations, let's get closer. It's supposed to be a gray resin, and now you can see it's gradient over here. The top are getting a clear look, and the bottom you can see there's a lot of settlement. I believe these are some coloring. So you can see I have some defense system. I did break one of the screen without any of these, and I was stirring too fast. Overflow. The resin come out here, then drips here. Gap here, run into your screen. My screen got damaged in that way. I added this typical masking tape all around the gaps, and also added a little wall here on the top. Don't try to do a big swoop like this. That is pretty shallow, right? So try to do it slowly, take your time so you don't break anything. This is just typical cooking spatula. I think I got this one at Target for like $2 or something. And on the bottom you can see settlement. It feels like they are kind of stuck. Even though it still looks like they're on there, it should print well. The only artifact is first few layers might appear colored like marble. Oh, see, I did too much. There is a drip. Yeah, let's just wipe them clean. We got extra protection here. And just take your time when you see like most of them are pretty stirred, and make sure the color is kind of consistent. You don't want too much swirl. A little bit would be fine. So what happens if you don't stir at all? If you don't stir, your print won't stick to your bed. That's it. You're gonna have a failed print. But after that, all the actions of the bed coming up and down, it kind of stirs the resin for you, so your second print should be fine. And when you build the wall, right, make sure you tape it from the inside and not outside. Yeah, that should be pretty good. We'll run some prints. I'll show you if it has that marble effect. Probably not. In this wall, I always use this to wipe the excess print bed back, and we're ready to print.
1 hour later.
The print is finished. I have a bad feeling about this. Some of the resins are gone on the left side because my table wasn't flat. Okay, it's a pretty good print. You can see a little bit of marbling effects right here. The settlement, they got kicked up, started to spiral up for some reason. So here's how it looks when it's clean. Here's a marble look, and there is a little cloud over here. We do have some blowout issue, but that will be for another video. Other than that, I think this is a pretty good print. So that's how you stir your resin if you haven't used it for a while, even for weeks. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.
Cool.